Have you always wanted to create your own website? And better yet, maybe you didn't have the budget and still wanted to create your own website or blog. Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own website for free with WordPress.com. So, like I said, you want to go over to WordPress.com and then you just want to select Get Started. Now, I will say before, I do prefer if you get a domain. Normally, you're going to want a domain, and you're also going to want, hosting. I will leave links to where you can get those in the description below. This is great for a lot of different reasons. But yeah, there's just you this is just going to show you that you can actually get started for free and invest later. And you can still get traffic with this free account. So you're going to select get started, and then you want to enter your email. Alright, so we'll just enter that email. Alright, and we'll just say, okay, we'll enter a dummy email. Host me now at gmail.com. Not a real email. Don't email that. Okay, and then you're just gonna create account. After you enter your username and your password. Okay, so then you select that, and now you select your domain. Now it's going to give you a subdomain, which it's going to be whatever you choose .wordpress.com. Okay, but still it'll work for a little while, but I do recommend you getting a domain, as I mentioned before. Okay, so type the domain you want. So what niche do you want? There are tons of different niches. For this particular method or video, I'm just gonna select hosting awesome site. Okay, let's just do something like that and see what comes up. Now it will try to upsell you, host a awesome site, but as you see, host in a host in awesome site .wordpress.com. You want to come down here and select this one. These ones you will have to pay for. Well, it says free, but you have to get the plan. So just hit select on the free version. Okay, then it's going to take you to this where you can actually select a plan. Okay, give it a second, and then you see we have all these plans: $4 a month, $8 a month. That's for it to be hosted on WordPress.com, which you could do. But for this, we're just going to select start a free site. Okay, it's going to bring you in here. You're going to have to go to that email you selected earlier and confirm it. And they're setting this site up now. But this is great for beginners if you want to practice your abilities to build beautiful websites and great websites, and they make it super simple. As you see, you got just a ton that you can do. Now, where you're going to spend your most time is in the site. You got pages, posts, your media, and let's see, your design section. But as you see, there are a lot. Now, you will be limited with this site, but still, there's a lot to unpack. There's a lot that you can actually do. As you see, you can go to upgrades and upgrade it, get more out of it. They will email you asking you to upgrade. That's just them trying to make some money. But there are free traffic sources um, that I will be discussing in the future. Now, if we come over here real quick to settings, you can scroll down. I believe it was um, you can add a custom address, but here you can launch your site from here, and that'll make it live on the internet. Now you will want to register it with Google Search Console, which I will be showing you. Um, Here you add your site title, your tagline, so you stand out. And you want to stand out, especially if you have a free domain that you are working in. But it's great for beginners, great for anybody who wants to build a website but not sure if they want to invest in it right now or have the funds to really invest in it right now. Here you can also go and read other people's blogs and comment on them, and that'll help you get more followers and traction, and that'll really help you out in the long run. Okay. um yeah, customize your theme, make it look nice and presentable. um as this is WordPress.com is going to host your site. Now you can upgrade later, like I said, um, but I hope you got value out of this. You can add your post, manage comments, check your stats with they use Jetpack, I believe, and then you can just set that up and you know do that. Got value out of it, please like and check the description below. If you maybe have a little bit of money, um, I'm gonna leave a link to two different host providers um, that will that are some of the cheapest and the best in what I have personally used for some of my sites, um, in the description below, and I will leave a link to a place where you can get cheap domains and yeah. So I hope you got value out of this. Please leave a like and subscribe if you are new.